Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a best website builder for beginner, and the website is called Wix. So on Wix is a website that allows a beginner to create a website for brands for their business or company. This particular website is the best website for you to use, and here's a few tips about Wix as a website. Wix is a popular website building platform that allows users to create a website using a drag and drop interface without needing to know how to code. It offers a wide variety of customizable templates, making it suitable for personal websites, blog, portfolios, and business websites. Like if you are a freelancer, you work online, you do remote work online, and you need to create a portfolio for your business, for your brands, or for your services online, or service not rendered online, and you need a portfolio, a website to generate or to create a portfolio. I think this is the best website for you to use. It also supports a drag and drop interface where you can just simply add your template for your website and make it customizable and more attractive for your clients or people that will be accessing your website. So that is it, and here's a few things you need to know. If you can see, this has been logged on, and if you want to set up your website, just click on setup, and right here you can connect a custom domain, then design your website, then get found on Google. Here you can just link your website to Google, so whoever you give your website domain, so they can easily access your website. And also there's a mobile app for you to use as a business owner or a brand owner. Also, which also provide hosting services like email commerce features, SEO tools, the ability to create custom domain. It's popular for its user-friendly design, allowing beginners to easily build professional-looking websites. Like platform, Wix offer both free services, and one thing you need to know about Wix is it offers both free service and paid service. So if you want to regulate your work, you want something best of the best, I think you have to pay for most of the services and not just for the free service. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.